Okay guys, everything good so far, nothing bad is happening, so guess what guys is here? Cut.
Why did you say cut? There's nothing wrong this time.
Dude, why I said cut? That I have great news.
So what is the great news? Dotto. Is police.
Alright, this is the police, and here's a list of studio problems so far.
Okay.
Now don't you ever overrage and explode ever again! And that is final!
Okay.
Good. Also, we have a strangely new guest.
Hello guys, I'm Alray, this is Rotano Angel, this is Extra Comedy, this is Shaq Alayam, and this is Microsoft Sam, and now, me is Clapboard Guy is read out of space in Nether Portal Travel World, Rotano Angel, is Kuwait International in USA in Get Out of Blue Money, Extra Comedy is Mascot Cerna even better, and Shaq Alayam in the Mascot UAE Yana even better, and Microsoft Sam this is Fansoy. Soy in Mascot Iraq X-American even better, than Obi to Gadoli and Friends X5. Me and everyone Mascot Bloopers us get.
Oh my gosh. Now we have to the 10th 5. Anyways, after Yobi a next take, Wet is take 16.
Meanwhile, in an outer space far, far away...
What just happened?